GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe, like and share, do all of that. And below the video you'll find some links. It says swing like a pro. So click on that first link, come to this page right here, check out these setups which we have taken in the recent past. And you can get these setups as well along with me. So go and check out this mentorship program and join if you want. Then we have this consultation link. If you want to speak with me one-to-one, you can book consultation, check the brokers and join them. And absolutely join my free Telegram. Get into my Telegram absolutely for free. Do all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, where are we? We are at the, we are above the EMA, so we are in the uptrend in weekly, and in daily as well we are above the EMI in 4 hour. We are right at the EMI, so 10 right. Longs, look for longs after the pullback in 4 hour. Okay, so two time frames, daily and weekly, are above the EMI, so look for longs in this GBPUSD in 4 hour. And if you want precise entry, exit and TP, then join the swing like a pro program right here. I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, join my Telegram for free, and take care. Have a good day.